how to minimize YouTube on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can minimize YouTube app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now before I do this, first of all I will show you I don't have YouTube Premium. If you had YouTube Premium, it would be very easy for you to use picture-in-picture mode or maybe just minimize it. So I can go to general, you can see I don't have the premium. So what I will do is, in order to minimize YouTube on iPhone, it's quite of a bit lengthy process, so I want you to stick very carefully. First of all, open a Safari browser, then type in YouTube PIP iPhone shortcut. Then you'll find the first shortcut link of YouTube PIP from shortcutsgallery.com. So we are going to actually add this shortcut to our iPhone by tapping the get shortcut option here, and then here you'll see this type of little option that says YouTube PIP. So just add the shortcut. Now that we've added the shortcut, you can open the Shortcuts app and you'll find YouTube PIP. But there is still one more thing we have to do. When we open up YouTube PIP here, it says could not run unknown action because a required app is missing. So that required app, to find that, you can tap the show button here, and the required application, you can view it in App Store by tapping on this option. This is the application that is required. So make sure to download the Scriptable application from your App Store. So we're going to come back after this download process has been complete. So once this download process is complete for the Scriptable app, again just come back here. This time you can see the shortcut will be working just fine. If you go ahead and then open it up, we're going to just hit the allow button. Now what we can do is, now we're going to open up YouTube. And then we're going to play a certain video over here. So I will just play my own video just for copyright reasons here. So let me play a certain video. And then if I want to play this in picture-in-picture mode, first of all, tap the share option from the bottom. Now let this to actually load up. Tap the share option here next to the video. Go ahead and then tap on more. From the more option, we have to look for YouTube PIP. Tap on YouTube PIP. If it asks you for permission, select always allow. Once you do that, that particular video will now start playing in the minimization mode, which means you can play that particular video here. If I tap on it and then I just come back, tap the share option here, go to more option, go to YouTube PIP here, and then I will be able to successfully play that particular video in the minimization mode. This way I'll be able to minimize YouTube on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.